Number 25. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, highest, and driest continent on the planet. Number 24. Antarctica is a desert, even though it holds 70% of the world's fresh water. Number 23. The annual snow accumulation across much of East Antarctica adds up to less than 2 inches of rain. Number 22. That is actually very comparable to the Sahara Desert. Number 21. In wintertime, the sea ice around Antarctica grows at the rate of 40,000 square miles a day. Number 20. Only 2% of the continent is actually exposed. Number 19. Antarctica's ice is so heavy that it deforms the South Pole. Number 18. In fact, its weight makes the Earth look slightly pear-shaped. Number 17. Antarctica holds the top spot for the lowest recorded temperature on Earth, which was negative 129 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 84.5 degrees Celsius. It was taken at Russian Vostok Station in 1983. Number 16. At this temperature, steel will shatter and water will explode into ice crystals. Number 15. Nature's power is seldom seen as ferocious as it is in Antarctica, making this one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Number 14. The continent experiences regular downhill winds reaching 300 kilometers per hour, or 185 miles per hour, and these winds blow out of the continental interior. Number 13. The first people to reach the South Pole were from the Norwegian-led expedition of Roald Amundsen on December 14, 1911. Number 12. 1 month later, Robert Scott's British expedition also reached 90 degrees south, but all members tragically died on their attempted return journey. Number 11. Prior to this, speculation over the existence of a southern land was not confirmed until the early 1820s. Number 10. Following World War II, there was an upsurge in scientific research on the continent. Number 9. Today, 7 countries have made territorial claims: Argentina, Australia, Chile, France, New Zealand, Norway, and the UK. But not all countries, including the USA and Russia, recognize these claims. Number 8. In order to form a legal framework for the activities of the nations on the continent, an Antarctic treaty was negotiated that neither denies nor gives recognition to existing territorial claims. Number 7. It prohibits any measures of a military nature. Number 6. One of the biggest dangers to researchers and others living on the continent is actually fire. The dry environment makes it very possible and hard to stop. Number 5. Antarctica is the largest wilderness area on Earth. Number 4. It contains 90% of the world's ice. Number 3. During summer, more radiation reaches the South Pole than the equator. Number 2. This is because the hole in the ozone layer above the Antarctic is the largest on record at 27 million square miles. And number 1. The Antarctic Ice Marathon is an annual marathon and 100K run held on an ice sheet in the shadow of the Ellsworth Mountains, just a few hundred miles from the South Pole. If you liked the video you just saw, then consider clicking on the button at the top right to subscribe. Also, check out our other popular videos: 25 most ridiculous questions on Yahoo Answers, and 25 strangest things banned by governments around the world. If you're still itching for more, go ahead and check out our website at list25.com for a whole bunch of cool lists.